quietly empowering the people. The Black Secret.
In the realm of economics, the Songhai Empire was a place that had banks. It was a place that had stock exchanges. It was a place where merchants were writing checks to other merchants. There's an account we have that survived, written by a scholar called Ibn Hawqal. He was writing in the year 951 AD, and he visits one of the West African cities called Aldegast and witnesses a merchant writing another merchant a check for 42,000 golden dinars. So we've got banks, stock exchanges, exchange rates, checks, the things that you'd expect in a modern commercial economy. There were 4 types of currency. People were paid in gold coins, cowrie shells, and in iron. And iron was sold as a pound of iron, half a pound, a quarter. And the result then, with these types of currencies, you then have to have an exchange rate to connect the 4 different types of currencies. These kind of things happened, and a concern for controlling for price inflation. That appears in the documentation. That's why the royals like to keep control over the supply of gold. If gold was released too plentifully into the market, it would cause price inflation. As ever, if you want more information, click on the link below to subscribe to our course and join the most powerful Black history course ever put together, aimed at a global audience.
The Black Secret.